Welcome to the funeral program site question and answer video. Today's question is, what is the program for a funeral called? A funeral program is often referred to by many different names depending on your culture, where you live geographically, or simply as a matter of preference. Some common names you may hear is a funeral bulletin, order of service program, funeral pamphlet, or obituary program. No matter what it is called, the premise remains the same. Funeral programs are printed keepsakes that highlight a loved one's life by including information and photos within its contents. It also serves as an outline for the flow or order of the service ceremony. It is an important and tangible printed keepsake and can be presented in many different layouts or styles. The funeral program is a handout that is distributed at the funeral or memorial service to all attendees and family members. It is a short representation of a loved one's life and highlights the milestones within the obituary, which is often included in its pages. Other key items for inclusion are photographs, achievements, tributes, special poetry, and scriptures. If you'd like to see the best examples of the various different styles of funeral programs available today, visit the funeral program site for the largest variety of designs and styles. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in our next question and answer video only here at the-funeral-program-site.com.